Hi, and welcome to this Every Day is a Day post. In honor of Camcorder Day, we have come out of storage, and with us, we brought this. These camcorders made the early 90s possible. Before flip, there was the camcorder. And the options here don't disappoint, allowing you to do all sorts of different things to make the best home video ever. Up here you have the power button, pause, review, play, and fast forward. That's right, you can actually play back the video that you recorded on this machine. And the compact battery case fits directly into this top loading battery slot. Not only does it come with all those bells and whistles, but it also comes with this. And in here, you're going to find space for the battery pack, for the lamp, and the very compact area for the device itself. And when you are ready to play your cassettes back, all you have to do is plug in the cables directly to the camcorder to your TV, and you can use it as a VCR also. Thanks for taking the time to celebrate Camcorder Day with us. And remember, if you aren't celebrating it, it doesn't count.